Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van. Legacies.
What's good, YouTube family? It's your boy, DaRealTarranceR. I know what y'all about to say. Dang, bro, you cut your hair? I'll tell y'all something. 2020 is the year of restoration for me. Letting old things go and letting new things come in. I not kept telling about, I'm not gonna cut my lot, I'm never gonna cut my lot. But the thing about it, I went to my new loctician. Every style she gave me, the style looked good, just my locks wasn't consistent, my parts wasn't consistent. My first loctician that did my locks, she made my parts. She asked what kind of size I want on my locks. I want a medium thick. So she did that, but the thing about it, she interlocked my hair and she used honey in my hair. And from that, which, it's good, but a lot of honey is not good. It causes a lot of stuff in your hair. So what I ended up doing, I went to my new loctician, so we were talking and everything like that. She would tell when she was doing my hair and styling it, for one, my parts wasn't consistent, you know what I'm saying? And my styles, when you do my style wasn't right because the parts, you know what I'm saying? You have good parts, you better do all kind of style that you want. And when I put my hair in a ponytail, it wasn't how I want my ponytail to be. You know what I'm saying? It was like bulky, like real thick and bulky. Like every style I get, I always have something bulky, and I'm like, you know what? And then I went to the barbershop. The guy he gave me a taper. This is why I tell everybody on YouTube, do not get a lot of tapers, you guys. You end up getting tapers, you're gonna end up messing your locks off. He went too far back on my tape line, and I had locks here, but a bunch of new growth here. So that wasn't a good look. So he said, you know what? Better late than sorry. So what I did, I ended up cutting my old locks off, and I started the day, April the 18th, 2020, new locks is reborn. I want y'all to see this. And she's my loctician told me she's gonna fix my locks the way how they fit my face. My other loctician didn't do that. So my new loctician, shout out to Latoya Hair. I'm my new loctician for y'all. Like, who's your new loctician? Her name Latoya Hair. You find her in Hinesville, Georgia. She's from Florida. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm planning to make her a YouTube channel. Y'all want to make a YouTube channel? Don't forget to subscribe to her, y'all. And she also, hold on. Also, she make her own locking gel. See right here? She make her own locking gel. It's called Jada Locking Gel. So yeah, these are my babies. April the 18th, 2020. My locks is born. Check them out, y'all. Front side, my left side. I'm so excited, you guys. I hope y'all excited as well. My right side. Let me show y'all the back right quick, if y'all don't mind. Can I show y'all the back? All right. Here's the back. And you can say I miss doing these lot journeys, y'all. I miss doing them, but I can finally do them with y'all, and y'all can finally see what I went through and what I'm going through. You know what I'm saying? So don't forget, y'all, hit that subscribe button. Let me show y'all the top again. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what famous cool. Keep it happy, keep it nappy, keep it love. Shout out to all the new lockers out there, man. Let's get it. 2020, year of restoration, a new year beginning. I know the year started off kind of rough, but thank God we're here today, man. We're alive. You know what I'm saying? Alive and well. And yeah, I'm out. Peace, one of us. Stay blessed.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van.